Hey everybody, appreciate y'all joining me once again. This is Troy, cooking in the kitchen. Today I'm going to do some enchiladas. Wife doesn't like beef enchiladas as much as she likes chicken enchiladas, so I'm going to do her some chicken enchiladas. I, on the other hand, like my beef enchiladas. So I've just kind of gathered some stuff from the pantry and from the fridge, and I'm just kind of whipping it all up here together. So I've already got the chicken done. Let me show you what I did with that. Y'all can see over here I grilled the chicken, and it's boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I put a little olive oil on there along with some Tango Spice Company's Southwest Sunset Spice Blend. This is excellent stuff right here if y'all haven't tried it. Look, it's getting kind of empty there, Joe. Okay, order me some more of that, buddy. So I'm gonna shred that up for the wife. We're gonna use that in hers, and I've got some green enchilada sauce. Let's see, I've got this for hers, and also for mine, I'm just going to use some of this Tex-Mex style enchilada sauce. It's a red sauce. Actually got two kinds. It's same brand, but this is just a regular red enchilada sauce. So I got that for mine. And over here I've got some hamburger meat. Kind of browning down a little bit, and I got some taco seasoning. I've showed y'all how to do your own taco seasoning, but you know, this is simple, easy. I don't feel like busting out all my stuff out of the pantry, so I'm just gonna throw some of this in there. And we got some onion. I diced up some onion. We're going to put some of that in there. I'm going to save some onion for garnish on the top later. So we're going to bust all this up, sweat down these onions and brown this meat. And probably need a little bit of salt in there. I don't think that spice mixture has any salt. So I'll throw a little salt in there. There you go. Alright, be back in a little bit. Aha, I was checking the pantry. Found me a regular taco seasoning mix here. Alright, I'm going to use this. That's about, I don't know, 2 pounds, 1 3/4 pounds or so of 80/20 ground beef. Got some peppers that I chopped up. Gonna throw these in there. And I believe these are Anaheim. I can't honestly remember, but anyway. See if I can show you kind of what they, see they're kind of a long, how about that, like a long pepper, got that big around, just missing another little piece here, kind of like this I guess. There's probably one. Anyway, got those fresh, de-seeded them, put a little vein out of the middle of them. I don't think they're going to be really hot. So I'm going to include that in there just a little bit. Also need to put in a little bit of garlic. Alright, got garlic in the jar. That's going in. Yeah, about that much. Let that cook a little while on it. Alright, I got a can of diced green chilies. Gonna throw those in there. It's fun cooking on a whim, y'all. Okay, gonna let this go a little bit longer. We'll taste it, see what it needs, if anything. Well, we are about to do the chicken enchiladas. I've got some oil warming up here. Got the green enchilada sauce here, and I did put in some fresh onion diced up, and also like a third of one of those Anaheim peppers. Of course, back here in the back, I've got my beef. That's still simmering away back there. It's actually on low, but since the lid's on, it's going nuts. I'm gonna turn that down here in a little bit. All right, let's get the chicken ready. Since these are already soft, green chilies here, diced, I'm gonna throw them in here. Probably need a bigger thing here. Let me get something bigger here real quick. There we go. Now we're talking. All right, throw a little bit of this taco seasoning on top of there just to give it a little hint. And need a little bit of salt. Just a little pepper. Okay, I think that's about it. I'm gonna toss this all about. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get some cheese and mix in here too. Be right back. All right, what goes better with Mexican and Mexican cheese blend? Probably put, this is a 2-cup bag. I'll probably put half of that in there. See what that looks like. Looks pretty good. Okay, tell you what else I'm gonna do. Find something, here we go. All right, I'm gonna grab some of this enchilada sauce from over here. Put that in there a little bit. Okay, see what that's gonna do for it. Kind of moisten it up just a little bit. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Oh yeah, that's looking much better. Okay, I think we're about ready. All right, now got a pre-greased dish, so I can get all my ducks in a row here. All right, be right back, y'all. All right, I switched the greases on this side, and that's the sauce. That way it'll be a little easier for me. Might as well back up a little bit. Yeah, now y'all can see what I'm doing. Tortillas, what I do with my, here they are. Just got some regular tortillas, corn. Make sure that grease is going good. Put some of this sauce down in the bottom here. Okay. Right. Oh yeah, that's warm enough. Just fry it up for a second. Turn it down just a hair. And again, you don't want to fry the crap out of it, just kind of get it soft. Stick it in there. Coat it good. Put you some filling in there. That's probably a little too much filling, but that'll be all right. Put a little bit more cheese on there. Okay. Ooh, that's hot. All right, y'all. I'm gonna turn that sauce down. Hang on. Okay, let's go again. Fry that up a little bit, just to soften it. Okay. Dunk it through this sauce. And on this first one, I did take some of the chicken out, because I did have it a little bit too full. Come on, get right. Close enough. And got a tablespoon here. See if that'll help me at all. A little bit. There we go. Little shot of cheese. Wrap them up. Just like so. All right, so that's what I got so far. Got 2 of them in there. I'm gonna do the rest of these. Be right back. right, this is the end of this. I got some of this sauce left over, so I'm just going to spoon some over the top here. And this should hold the wife. I'll do my beef ones here momentarily. All right, got that. Put a little Colby Jack on there. And that is my oven preheated now to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And probably using a cup of this cheese. All right, pop that in the oven. Until the cheese is melted, because everything else in there is pretty much done. Hey guys, I'm gonna cheat on the rice. I'm just gonna use a pack Spanish rice. Follow the directions on the back, or do it yourself. All right, I'm also doing some refried beans. Here you go. Remember those, Sean? Here you go. Good stuff. All right, everybody, we just pulled this out of the oven, letting it cool off a little bit. Refried beans are ready. Rice is just about ready too. What you think, honey? How's that taste?
Just a second, I'm chewing. It's really good. I like it.
Cool. All right, now on to the beef one. All right, everybody, we're ready to rock and roll with some beef enchiladas now. Got my oven warming up again. I decided just to do the Tex-Mex version, which is this Tex-Mex enchilada sauce. Got my beef back here. Got refried beans over here. I pulled the rice off, and got my canola oil there warming up. All right, I'm gonna move y'all back here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Bear with me. All right, there we go. I think that's good enough. Yeah, it looks pretty good. All right, man. And again, last time that was hot. I turned this off. I kind of warmed it up a little bit. You can still see it steaming a little bit, but and it shouldn't burn me. So got some corn tortilla. And that a little bit. While that's warming up, I'm gonna put a little bit of this in this pre-greased pan over here. Kind of shake it around a little bit, this way, that way, you know. That's good stuff right there. Hope I didn't burn this one. Yeah, I did. All right, that's a tosser right there. Can't use that one. Let it fry too long, y'all. Here you go, Moonshine. Let's get this junk out of here. There you go. All right, in the sink. Let's do another one. I got plenty, y'all. Do this again. Just needs a few seconds here, y'all. Doesn't need long. Oven's warm. Just like that. Drain the grease. Plop that in there. Right. I can tell you, this is still steaming pretty good, y'all. Meat. Where's my, there it is right here. Okay. Throws a little bit of meat in here. Tablespoon, y'all. Don't want to mess up like I did on the wives. Put way too much stuff in there. Just need about a tablespoon and a half. A little bit of this cheese, Mexican blend. Alright, see if I can do this without burning myself. Alright. And ideally you put this seam side down, and we'll be right back. See y'all shortly. Alright folks, I gotta put this in the oven. I got some 4-cheese Mexican blend here. But before I put that on, got these raw onion right here. Oh yeah, babe. Let's put some of that onion on there like that. Oh, onion and beef, baby. It's good stuff. Yes, indeed. Right. Yeah. Well, I got my mic back on. Wife's watching a little bit of TV. Alright, so we're just gonna cover this up with some cheese blend. We're gonna bake it in the oven, 400 degrees, till it oozes. Oh man, this is gonna be good, y'all. Heck, I'm gonna put a whole 2 cups on there. I like cheese. Get all spread out right here. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Guys, if you haven't hugged and kissed your wife, do so. They're great. Can y'all hear that?
That's what
All right.
What do you want, honey?
All right. We love our wives, guys, don't we? Couldn't make it without them. Love you, honey.
Love you too.
All right, we're gonna stick this in the oven for, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. Warm my rice back up. Got the beans warming up. We're fixing to eat. All right. All right, y'all see this? Look how good that looks right there, baby. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Zoom out right here. Oh yeah, it's good stuff. All right, let's go down here. There we go, everybody. Show what we got here. Little beef enchiladas to finish up this dish. Check this out, baby. Oh yeah, can y'all get a shot of that? Does that look fine or what? That's what I call a meal right there, baby. Mm-hmm. Yep. All right, we're gonna taste this. We're gonna taste this, see what's going on here. Mm-hmm. Lord have mercy. Look, lost it. So I can get it back. There you go. I'm hiding my face here. I'm focusing in on it. There you go. Mm-hmm. Man. That's awesome, y'all. Mm-hmm. That is awesome. Tell y'all what. Here's the second one. What else needs to be said? That's off the hook, y'all. Wife said the chicken was good. The beef is definitely good. Man, that's awesome. I appreciate all my new subs. Thank y'all for joining me. And we will do another video here, probably next weekend, if not sooner. But thanks again for everybody. Appreciate it. All the comments, suggestions, all the new subs. Welcome to the channel. And we'll see y'all next time. Love you guys. See y'all. I'm still eating, y'all. Had to give me a little bit with some of that sour cream on there. I'm telling you, man. Try this dish, man. It's great. See y'all. Hey everybody, appreciate y'all joining once again. Today I'm gonna do some, dang, can't even remember the name of the stuff. All right, let's do this one again. Wow. What the heck is it I'm making? Oh, I know what I'm doing. Okay, here we go.